Hello, welcome to RZN Auto channel. Today, I'll give you a calm but close-up first look at the 2026 BYD M9, a 50K luxury MPV pitched to take on the Lexus LM and Toyota Alphard, and we'll walk slowly through the styling, the cabin, the tech, and the powertrains so you can imagine what it's like to live with one. From the front, the M9 makes a big first impression without shouting. The fascia is wide and composed, with a prominent grille area that reads more like a refined shield than a busy pattern, flanked by narrow, jewel-like LED daytime running lights that sit above full LED headlamps. The bumper is sculpted with purposeful air intakes and a low skid-like element that gives the nose a sense of mass and presence appropriate for a premium MPV. Close up, you'll notice the use of chrome and satin-finished surfaces to catch the light without feeling ostentatious, a design choice that nods to luxury while keeping the overall face modern and tidy. The hood flows gently into a tall windshield, which helps the M9 feel less boxy and more elegant from the driver's perspective. Around the rear, BYD has opted for a clean, contemporary treatment that emphasizes width and calmness. A slim LED light bar runs nearly the full width of the tailgate, visually grounding the car and creating a broad, stable look at night. The tailgate itself opens to a low sill and a neatly integrated spoiler. The bumper is finished with subtle diffuser detailing and tasteful chrome touches rather than oversized fake exhausts, which suits an MPV's dignified character. From the side, the M9 reads as what it is, a long wheelbase luxury people mover. The greenhouse is tall with expansive glass, giving the cabin an airy feel, while a long sliding door line and pronounced rear quarter hint at generous third-row accommodation. Wheel designs step up in complexity across the range, simpler, elegant alloys on the base trims, and multi-spoke, more sculpted wheels on top-spec models. And the overall silhouette balances stately presence with the kind of modern restraint you'd expect in this luxury bracket. Step inside, and the M9 aims straight for comfort-first luxury. The cabin layout favors expansive surfaces and a quiet, hotel-like mood. Wide seats finished in soft leather or premium vegan alternatives, broad armrests, and a center console that's both useful and uncluttered. Second-row comfort is the headline here. Think true lounge-class captain's chairs with generous recline, footrests, or ottoman-style extensions on higher trims, and individual climate and entertainment controls that let rear occupants set their own environment. Materials are layered. Stitched leather, soft-touch panels, and tasteful metallic accents that avoid flashiness. The dashboard is modern but calm, typically centered around a large curved display that blends the instrument cluster with a wide infotainment screen, giving the driver a clean, tech-forward view without chaos. Practical luxury is evident too. Deep storage compartments, cooled and heated cup holders, abundant USB-C ports, wireless phone charging, and optional features like a refrigerated compartment or stowable work surfaces for rear passengers who want to be productive on the move. Tech and convenience features on the M9 read like a premium MPV checklist executed with care. Expect a top-tier audio system with room-filling performance, configurable ambient lighting to set the cabin mood, multi-zone climate with rear seat air diffusers, and a strong suite of connectivity and software features, over-the-air updates, advanced voice control, and a robust infotainment OS that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety and driver aids are comprehensive. Adaptive cruise with lane keeping, a surround view camera system for parking a large vehicle, blind spot and cross-traffic alerts, and automated emergency braking calibrated for multi-occupant loads. Higher trims add luxury niceties such as massage functions, privacy shades, and dedicated rear seat entertainment displays, so the M9 can genuinely double as a mobile office or a restful family lounge. Under the sheet metal, BYD positions the M9 to appeal to a wide range of buyers. There are electrified options for efficiency-focused customers and conventional powertrains where market demand dictates. The pure electric variant, where available, delivers the instant, quiet torque you'd expect from an EV, making city driving effortless and giving rear seat passengers a serene environment. A plug-in hybrid or hybrid setup provides balance for longer trips, using electric assist for smooth urban driving and a combustion engine for extended range and rapid refueling when needed. For markets that still prefer internal combustion, refined turbocharged petrol options are tuned for smooth power delivery and low vibration rather than raw sportiness. They're optimized to carry the MPV's weight confidently while keeping NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness, under control. Ride and chassis tuning follow the mission of the M9. Suspension calibrations favor composed comfort with enough composure to avoid floating in corners, and active drive modes allow you to shift from cushioned cruise to a firmer setting for more spirited highway driving or heavier payloads. In practical terms, the M9 is designed to be usable every day. Sliding doors that operate quietly and smoothly, a low cargo floor with thoughtful tie-downs and storage solutions, and configurable seating arrangements that let you prioritize passenger space or luggage capacity in seconds. The combination of luxury amenities and practical touches positions the M9 as a true alternative to the established premium MPVs. It's trying to deliver Lexus-like refinement and Alphard-level passenger comfort while undercutting on price and offering modern EV or hybrid choices where buyers want them. To close, the 2026 BYD M9 is a striking statement, a 50K luxury MPV that wraps genuine second-row comfort and modern electrified options in a calm, premium package. It's an MPV that doesn't shout, it simply offers a well-considered mix of comfort, tech, and practicality that could unsettle the incumbents. If you like this relaxed, detailed first look, leave a comment below telling me which feature you'd want most in an M9. Reclining ottomans, a fridge, or a silent EV powertrain. And don't forget to subscribe to RZN Auto channel so you don't miss the full walk around and first drive coming next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.